Welcome back. Now the first step we're going to go through will be to design our online store. So we're going to click this area and you will have 3 steps within the wizard in order to design your online store. And if you want to go in order that the Shopify wizard gives you, you can go through this process. We're going to quickly go first to customize the theme. Typically, when you first get started, you're going to have a message saying that only visitors with a password can access the online store. Now, if you choose to disable the password at this point and you click this link, Shopify is going to take you to a page where you will be required to choose a plan and you will be required to enter your credit card number. So if you want to continue at this point without entering a credit card number, you'll want to leave this as an enabled password for site visitors. The first thing you're going to see is that you can customize the site theme. And this is currently the site theme that your customers see when they visit the store. You can actually see what your site looks like as of this point by clicking this link that says View Your Store. And you'll be able to see your store in real time as you make changes at this link. So what we can do here is we can click Customize. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.